AE Tower 2000 Setup Guide. In this video, we will be showing you how to set up your AE Tower 2000 scent system and everything you need to know to get your space smelling great. Unboxing. Inside the box, you will find your AE Tower 2000 Aroma Diffuser, a 550 milliliter bottle with the cap, and a power cable. Diffuser Specs. The AE Tower 2000 is a portable aroma diffuser that is used as a standalone unit. It uses a 550 milliliter bottle of aroma and can scent a space of up to 2,000 square feet. This aroma diffuser is fully programmable. Setting up your aroma diffuser with oil. Lift the diffuser head up and out of the aroma diffuser. Remove the cap from your fragrance bottle and screw the diffuser head onto it. Be sure to screw it on firmly. Slide the diffuser head and bottle back into the unit. Once the bottle is inside, be sure not to flip it over, as this can cause the unit to malfunction or stop working. Programming. Download the Air Essentials 2.0 app onto your device. It is available on the App Store and Google Play. Plug in your AE Tower 2000 diffuser and turn on Bluetooth. Open the Air Essentials 2.0 application and select Bluetooth. Tap on your device and access the unit using the factory password 1234. After connecting to your AE Tower 2000 diffuser, you will be able to change its name by tapping Smart located at the top of your screen. At the bottom of your screen, you will find three buttons: On/Off, Program, which allows you to adjust the settings of your aroma diffuser, and Fan, which produces a steady stream of air that pushes the fragrance outward after diffusion. Tap Program. On your screen, you will notice the days of the week displayed above 5 possible programs. Tap on each day of the week so they are all highlighted in a white circle. This means that whatever program you are applying will apply to all days of the week. Make sure only one of your programs is active. Tap on the pen emblem in between start and end time to activate your program. On your screen, you will find start time, end time, work time, and pause time. The start time refers to the hour of the day the unit will begin diffusing. End time refers to the time of the day the unit will stop diffusing. Work time refers to the amount of seconds the unit will diffuse scent. Pause time is the interval in between sprays. Once you have adjusted your AE Tower 2000 settings, press Save and then Save again. If you have successfully applied your settings, the application will put you back to the countdown screen. If you have any further questions or concerns regarding programming your AE Tower 2000, please do not hesitate to contact us at 305-446-1670. Also, remember to follow us on our social media platforms for the latest updates and special offers.